Dear students, welcome to you all. In this video, I will discuss about invertible functions. Let A having elements A, E, I, O, U and B having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 be two sets. Consider a function f from A to B represented by following arrow diagram. We define another function g from B to A such that each element of B is associated to its pre-image. Dear students, now let us find in which conditions it is possible to define functions f from A to B and g from B to A. Suppose that if set B has one more element 6, say, will it possible to define such a function from B to A? No, because 6 is not associated to any element of A. It means to define function g from B to A, f must be an onto function, and if A and E both are associated to 1, that is if f is many 1, then also it is not possible to define function g from B to A, because in that case one will have two images. It follows from the above discussion that for a function f from A to B, if we want to define a function g from B to A in which elements of B are associated to their pre-image, then the function f must be 1, 1 onto, that is bijective function. Let us define a function f from x to y is defined to be invertible if there exists a function g from y to x such that g of f is equal to ix, identity function on x, and f of g is equal to iy, identity function on y. The function g is called the inverse of f and is denoted by f inverse, that is f inverse is equal to g. In other words, we can also define a function f from x to y be 1, 1 onto function if fx is equal to y, where x belongs to x, y belongs to y, then f inverse from y to x defined by f inverse y equal to x is called an inverse function of f. We can follow the following thinking process to find the inverse of a function. Thinking process to show f from A to B a bijection. Step first, check function f from A to B is a bijection, that is 1, 1 and onto. If yes, go to step second. If no, stop and conclude that f is not invertible. Step second, if it is yes, put fx is equal to y, where y belongs to B and x belongs to A. Step 3, solve fx is equal to y and get x in terms of y. Step 4, put f inverse y in place of x in relation obtained in step second. taking one example, let function f from R to R be defined by fx is equal to 3x plus 7, so that f is invertible and hence find f inverse. Dear students, to prove the invertibility of the function f, we have to prove that f is a bijective. Here we use above thinking process. First, f is 1 1. Let x and y belongs to the set R. Then fx is equal to fy, because it is 1 1, implies that 3x plus 7 is equal to 3y plus 7, and after solving we get x is equal to y. Thus fx is equal to fy implies that x is equal to y for all x, y belongs to R. So we can say that f is 1 1. For f is onto, let y be any arbitrary element of R. Then fx is equal to y, and on this implies that 3x plus 7 is equal to y, and we find the value of x in terms of y, that is x is equal to y minus 7 by 3. Clearly y minus 7 by 3 belongs to R for all y belongs to R. Thus for all y belongs to R, there exists x is equal to y minus 7 by 3 belongs to R, such that fx is equal to fy minus 7 by 3, and this is equal to 3 into y minus 7 by 3 plus 7, putting fx is equal to 3x plus 7. So after solving we get this is equal to y, means fx is equal to y. So f is onto, and this is implies that f is 1 1 onto, and hence it is, since fx is equal to y, so f is onto. Thus f is 1 1 onto and therefore invertible. Now y is equal to fx implies that y is equal to 3x plus 7, because fx is equal to 3x plus 7, and after solving we get x is equal to y minus 7 by 3, and this is implies that f inverse y is equal to y minus 7 by 3. Here the reason is fx is equal to y implies that x is equal to f inverse y. Thus we define f inverse such that R to R and inverse, that is f inverse y is equal to y minus 7 by 3 for all y belongs to R. For practice, here it is given 3 questions. Question number 1, so that the function f from R to R defined as fx is equal to 2x minus 3 is invertible, also find f inverse. Question number 2, let f in ordered pair form 1 5 2 3 3 0 4 minus 2, then find f inverse. And question number 3, if function f from R to R be defined by fx is equal to x cube minus 3, then prove that f is invertible and find f inverse. Also find f inverse 5 and f inverse 24. Thank you.